Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to prepare Lipton formula safely and correctly for your little one. First, hygiene is paramount, so always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Next, sterilize all feeding bottles, nipples, and any utensils you will use according to their manufacturer's instructions. This step is crucial for your baby's health. Finally, always check the expiration date on your Lipton formula container to ensure it is fresh and safe to use. Now let's talk about the water. It is important to boil fresh tap water for 1 minute to kill any potential germs. After boiling, let the water cool down for approximately 30 minutes. This brings it to about 70 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for mixing. Then, carefully pour the exact amount of cooled water into your sterilized feeding bottle, following the instructions on your Lipton package. Remember, using too much or too little water can affect the formula's nutritional balance. Next, we move to mixing the powdered formula. Always use the specific scoop that comes inside your Lipton container, as scoop sizes can vary between brands. Fill the scoop with powder and level it off using the built-in leveler or a clean, flat knife, ensuring you do not pack the powder. Add the precise number of leveled scoops to the water in the bottle as indicated by the feeding guide. Then, securely cap the bottle and shake it vigorously for at least 10 seconds until all the powder is completely dissolved. Once mixed, the formula will be quite warm, so you need to cool it quickly. Hold the bottle under cold running tap water, ensuring no water gets on the nipple. Before feeding, test the temperature by dripping a few drops on your inner wrist. It should feel comfortably lukewarm, not hot. Feed the formula to your baby right away. If not used immediately, refrigerate the prepared formula and use it within 24 hours. Always discard any formula left at room temperature for more than 2 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.